Okay, now we will learn how to find a unit vector when you are given a Cartesian vector, right? So I have this random vector, and this random vector is given by, let's say, a vector is equal to x I cap plus y j cap. Okay, where x and y are the x and y components. Okay, x I cap is the x component, y j cap is the y component of the given vector, right? What is the magnitude of this vector? Magnitude will be equal to root of x square plus y square. Okay, so this is your a vector. Now I want to find a unit vector in the same direction as a vector. So I want a unit vector in this direction. Okay, this will be your a cap. Okay, so a cap is a vector having direction same as a vector but magnitude equal to 1. Magnitude of a cap will be equal to 1. And in the earlier videos you have learned how to find a unit vector. That's very easy. So a cap will be given by a vector divided by its magnitude a. So then you could write this down as x I cap plus y j cap divided by root of x square plus y square. It's that easy. Just write the a vector, that is x I cap plus y j cap, and divided by the magnitude of the vector. That's it. You found the unit vector. Okay. So now you have a simple question based on that. We have to find a unit vector in the direction of a vector is equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap. So first of all we need to find the magnitude of a vector. So the magnitude of a vector will be given by a will be root of 3 square plus 4 square. So that will be root of 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 will give you root of 25. So a will be equal to 5. Magnitude of a vector is 5. So you want a unit vector in the same direction as a vector. So it's easy. A cap will be a vector divided by its magnitude. So this will be equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap divided by 5. That's it. This is the unit vector. Okay. Alright, try one more question. Okay, so you have to find a unit vector of magnitude 3. You have to find a vector of magnitude 3 in the direction of a vector equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. Okay, so let's say that your a vector is given by this. Okay, this is the a vector. So you want to find another vector in the same direction as a vector. So let's say this second vector is b. So this is your b vector. So b vector should be parallel to a vector, and it should be in the same direction, and b has magnitude 3. Now how to find that? So first of all I need to find the unit vector parallel to a vector. So I want a unit vector parallel to a vector. This is, let's say, a cap. So a cap will be given by a vector divided by a. So first of all, what is the magnitude of a vector? So a will be equal to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So that will be equal to 5. Magnitude of a vector is 5. Then you could write down a cap will be equal to a vector divided by a. So you will get minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap divided by 5. You found a cap. Now how to find b vector? So that's very easy. So now b vector will be given by magnitude b into direction a cap. B vector is parallel to a cap. So b vector is b times a cap. Okay, a cap is giving you direction and we are multiplying it by the magnitude. So magnitude of b vector is how much? 3. And a cap is what? A cap is minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap divided by 5. Simple. So you could easily find now. So b vector will now be given by 3 times minus 3. So minus 9 I cap plus 12 j cap divided by 5. That's it. Very easy.